What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the REDMAGIC 10 Pro. This is their 10th generation flagship killer essentially. So let's take a look at the REDMAGIC 10 Pro. Currently in North America, they've just launched this announcement that it is coming on December 3rd. So on the top you can click join now, or you click join now right here. And let's take a sneak peek. So it's coming at December 3rd, 7 a.m. EST, pretty much about 15 days from now, and pretty awesome. Let's take a quick look at the specs. So it's coming with the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which I have a video about. It is a insane chip. We're talking about power efficiency improvements, performance improvements, AI performance improvements across the board. Seems like Qualcomm has done some magic with it. It's kind of crazy. I don't know. Let's take a look here. So they're promising a 1.5K resolution display, full screen with ultra narrow bezels, 144 hertz. That's normal. Insane 7,050 milliamp battery. That's crazy. First off, that is unheard of for most phones. I mean, look at Apple iPhones. They're like sitting at 5,000 milliamps, 4,500 milliamps. Even Samsung's at peak 5,000 milliamps. So extra 2,000 milliamps is crazy. Now, just a quick tip, you can enter your email right here and you get to spin a free wheel. It's probably not actually real, and it's probably rigged. They're probably just gonna give you 50% off, because I tried it 3 times and all I got 50% off, like a 15% coupon. I think I got the 15% coupon every time. So yeah, it's kind of rigged, but you could potentially get 50% off, or a free case, or some mystery box, or the actual phone for free. So if you can, you might as well try it. If you got a throwaway email, try it. But this phone is going to be insane. It's launching in under 15 days. If you want $15 off, I recommend just putting in your email and getting that $15 off. It's going to save you just a little bit of money. But yeah, it's crazy. I can't wait. So there you have it, guys. How to pretty much pre-order the REDMAGIC 10 Pro. It's going to launch soon, and I'll see you guys next time.